Look at the image, friends. There are two images being given, 5A and 5B. In the 5A image, whether these lines are straight, and with respect to 5B image, whether the circle on the left side and the circle on the right side are similar in sizes. Means the center circle. The answer is the lines are straight as well as the circle is of similar size. But it seems like the lines are not straight and the circle to the left side is a bit bigger than the circle to the right side. This is because of illusion. Illusion is when your mind deceives you by interpreting a similar pattern incorrectly. Deceives means the mind cheats you by not able to understand the stimulus pattern properly. There is one more illusion being given in your textbook. We will move to it. These two images also gives an example of illusion. One is the 5C and the other one is the 5D. It seems as if the lines in the 5D image differs. One is bigger line, the other one is smaller line. And you can look at the square boxes which are black in color, and in between the square boxes there is a circle. It seems like the circles are dark black in color. When you are looking at a particular circle, the circle besides them seems to be black in color, but when you move the sight to the circles, it seems to be white. So this is the illusion which we are having in this image. The main diseases and defects which are caused to the eye are night blindness, myopia, which is nearsightedness, hypermetropia, which is farsightedness. People generally confused with nearsightedness and farsightedness. Nearsightedness means the people can be able to see the near objects clearly, and far objects will appear blurry. This is known as nearsightedness. Glaucoma is another problem which is faced, cataract problems and color blindness. Generally, some of the people will have eye defects from birth due to various reasons. How you should maintain a good eye health. Wash your eyes at least thrice or 4 times per day. Whenever you are reading a book, maintain at least 25 centimeters distance between the book and your eyes. Don't give continuous strain to the eyes by watching television and mobiles. Don't rub your eyes when something falls into it. Go and wash the eyes with water immediately. Avoid seeing lightning, gas welding sparks and eclipse. Some other eye care things have been mentioned in this image. Eat food which is good in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin A and lutein. Avoid smoking because this will cause nerve damage and cataract problems. Whenever you are going into the sun in the afternoon time, try to wear sunglasses in order to avoid it getting damaged from ultraviolet rays. Use safety eyewear. Look away from the computer screen. Whenever you are working on a computer, try to look away from the screen once in a while. It helps to relax the eye muscles and put less strain on the eye. Whenever you face with any kind of a problem with eye, go and visit the eye specialist.